Well, welcome back to Channel On. Today I'm going to be revisiting some bookends that I did a while back. And what I thought I'd do is I've always wanted to take one of my trucks and cut it in half and put the front half on one side and the back half on the other. So I'm kind of toying around with one of my Jeeps here, probably my traditional Jeep that I had done a while back, or maybe possibly my utility vehicle. I'm not really sure yet until I really get started. I'm kind of building this on the fly. Got some scrap pieces of pine, so let's go ahead and get started and see what we come up with. Okay, that came out real well. I'm real happy with that. I'm glad I opted to go with this pattern here versus the Jeep. I think the Jeep might have been too small. I'm not sure. I may try that again later on, but I think this made it look a little bit better. Well, I hope that helps you with your homemade bookends, and stay tuned for the next one.